गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदं तमुपास्महे हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत् असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् Ram Ram Ram, Namaste. Welcome to all of you for the 9th class of the Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. My sincere salutations to all the elderly people and elderly scholars who are with us in this journey of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. And Dhanyavadaha, thank you for all of you for making time to attend the Vishnu Sahasranama class today. As all of you know, today is also the practice class for all the shlokas that we have learned in the last about 7 classes. Um, First, what I will do is, as many of you had requested, I will once chant all the shlokas that are taught till now, and then I will request one by one for you to practice. Again, request is that people who have practiced in the last class, please do not raise hands. Let's give chance for others. Others uh, who have not practiced, please feel free to raise hands, um, and then we can practice. Don't be shy. Of making mistakes, everything. That's how we learn. This is the group that with whom all of us are learning. So even if you are little if you're not very perfect, that is okay. It is good to make mistake, and that's how we learn. It is okay to make mistake and definitely learn from that. So feel free to raise your hand and we will do the practice. um, just before we start, some of the questions of the last shloka. How to get the that is typing mistake, print of the shloka which you are showing in the which you are showing on the screen with the highlight. I guess what happens is the shloka class, the slides and the recording gets uploaded on the course page, home page of the course page. So you can go there, download, and then you can print it. So it might come with, I'm not sure, very sure about it. I will check back and come and confirm this, but I guess there you will get it where you can print it. How to pronounce antastham yasya, antastham yasya, that's how it comes. Antastham yasya, that is how it comes. How to pronounce puniyadari nalinagana, nalinagada. It is nali or nali, that was the question, I guess. Puniyadari nalinagada shankhapanir mukundah, that's how it comes. Maybe once I'm chanting now, you can also listen to this. With that, we'll go to the chanting. It could take about 8 minutes, and then we'll come back to the practice session. Om. Just 1 second. I want to ensure that my voice is audible. Amogha, Shruyate va? Amogha or Rashmi, Shruyate va?
आं सर् श्रूयते।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः। ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातन्तपोनिधिम्। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते। नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत। श्रीयुधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणम् स्तुवन्तः कङ्कमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवाः शुभम्। को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किं जपन्मुच्यते जन्तुः जन्म संसारबन्धनात्। श्रीभीष्म उवाच जगत्प्रभुं देवदेवम् अनन्तं पुरुषोत्तमं स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषः सततोत्थितः तमेव चार्चयन्नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन्नमस्यंश्च यजमानस्तमेव च। अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखातिगो भवेत्। ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्मज्ञं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम् येष मे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिगतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चेन्नरः सदा। परमं यो महत्तेजः परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महद्ब्रह्म परमं यः परायणम् पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलम् दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यान्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम् यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये। ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः। छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः। अमृतांशूद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः। त्रिसामा हृदयन्तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते। विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपदैत्यान्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्। अस्य श्रीविष्णोर्दिव्यसहस्रनामस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः। श्रीमहाविष्णुः परमात्मा श्रीमन्नारायणो देवता। अमृतांशूद्भवो भानुरिति बीजम् देवकीनन्दनः स्रष्टेति शक्तिः। उद्भवः क्षोभणो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः। शङ्खभृन्नन्दकी चक्रीति कीलकम्। शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधर इत्यस्त्रम्। रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य इति नेत्रम्। त्रिसामा सामगः सामेति कवचम्। आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः। ऋतुः सुदर्शनः काल इति दिग्बन्धः। श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानम्। श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनामपारायणे विनियोगः। ध्यानम् क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानाम्। मालाक्लुप्तासनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः। शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः। आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः। भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे। कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः। अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः। चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं। विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम्। लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिः हृद्ध्यानगम्यम्। वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गम्। पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। नमः समस्तभूतानां आदिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणम्। सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम्। छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलङ्कृतम् चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसम् रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये. Thank you for the listening. I guess we took little more time. Now the time for all of us to practice. Hope many of you have raised hands. If you have not, please raise hands. We can practice. I can see people raising hands now, which is good. I will just go by the order in which it shows the name. Again, if you have raised the hands in the last class, I request not to raise, and then we will see how we can do it. Pramod KM, I have unmuted you. If you can tell the first shloka. Pramod.
राम 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 महोदय.
Ram Ram Ram. Shuklambaradharam.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णु शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये.
Uttamam. Uttamam. You can mute yourself. The request is, after telling the shloka, please mute yourself, because I would have gone down, so I'll not be able to mute. So once you're finished with the chanting the shloka, please mute yourself. Subha Krishnan.
Namaskaram.
Namaskara. Narayanam.
Narayanan namaskritya naran chaiva narotamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayamudirayet.
Once again, can you tell the same shloka slowly?
Narayanan namaskritya naran chaiva narotamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayamudirayet.
Uttamam. Atyuttamam. This is very much better now. Very good. Thank you. Rajammal Murugan. Rajammal Murugan. I guess you are muted. I have unmuted you. Yes, please. Vyasam
नमस्ते.
Vasishthanaptaram. Namaste.
नमस्ते. व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतादन्तपोनिधिम्.
Uttamam. Very good try. The only one thing is how we are practicing in this shloka, in this class is Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram, which is correct. When we join this, it comes as Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram. That is one thing that you can keep in mind. Similarly, in the second line, Parasharatmajam Vande. We, instead of saying Parasharatmajam Vande, which is also right, when we split it, that's how it comes. When we join and say, we say it as Parasharatmajam Vande. And then
Shall I chant
here,
one?
then
Shall I?
one more thing is Shukatatam Taponidhim. Ta there, Shukatatan Taponidhim. Yes, please chant
Okay.
with all these again. Once more, can you chant the shloka?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतादन्तपोनिधिम्.
You might have to practice little. While there was some improvement, you might have to practice little more. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
You can mute yourself. Sundar Mahadevan.
Yes, sir.
Vyasaya.
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वसिष्ठाय नमो नमः
Uttamam.
वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः
Uttamam. There are two Mahapranas here. Brahma Nidhaye, Dha is a Mahaprana. Vasisthaya, Tha is a Mahaprana there. If you can just note that, that will be good. Otherwise, it was very good. Thank you.
Okay.
You can mute yourself. Kanakavalli. Kanakavalli, you are self muted, I guess. Avikaraya.
अविकाराय अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे
Uttamam. When you were saying Sarva Jishnave, I could hear Sa there. It is Sha. Sarva Jishnave. That's all. Otherwise, it was very good. Thank you. Okay. Ramya V. Ramya V. I guess you are self muted. Yasya Smarana Matrena.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
Om Namo Vishnave Prabha
ॐ
Vishnave.
नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच
Stop there. So it was good. The only thing is I heard Yasya Smarana Matrena. It is na ta ta da da na should come there. And Vimuchate Namastasmai Vishnave Prabha Bha is a Mahaprana there. Vishnave Prabha Vishnave. If you can note that, that will be good. Can you chant once again same shloka?
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे
Uttamam. Very good. Thank you. VN Meena.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Please,
Yeah.
can you chant the shloka? Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Okay, I will. श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत
Uttamam. Uttamam. I guess here I heard it as Seshena. It is Sheshena. Both is Sha and Sha. Otherwise, it was good.
धर्मानशेषेण
Sheshena.
शेषेण
Again, I could hear Sa.
शे
Shrutva Dharmana She. Sheshena.
धर्मानशेषेण
That's all. That's all. Otherwise, it is perfect. Yeah. Thank
धन्यवादः
you.
धन्यवादः
Priyadarshini Palani. Priyadarshini Palani.
नमस्कारः
Yes. Namaskaraha. Yudhishthira Uvacha.
श्रीयुधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणं स्तुवन्तः कं कमर्चन्तः पमर्चन्तः प्राप्नुयुर्मानवा शुभम्
Uttamam. You can split there also. Stuvantah kankamarchantaha prapnu yurmanava shubham. You can split, or you can also tell, you can, like the way you joined and said, that is also correct, which is good. Very good. Thank you. Arati. Arti. It is there. I'm not sure. I don't see any initial and ha. Kodharmaha.
को धर्म सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः किञ्जपन्मुच्यते जन्तुः जन्म संसारबन्धनात्.
Uttamam. Just 2 points. I heard it as Sarva Dharma Nam. It is Na. Ta ta da da na. There is a difference between Na and Na. So Dharma Nam. And here Bandhanat. Dha is a Mahaprana there. Just note those 2 things. Otherwise, it was good. Definitely. Good good try.
Sorry, Sarva Dharmanam, can you tell me again?
Ko Dharma Sarva Dharmanam Na.
को धर्म सर्वधर्माणां भवतः परमो मतः.
I still heard it as ta ta da da na. See, Sarva Dharmanam. It is not Sarva Dharmanam, it's Sarva Dharmanam. Can you make out the
Nam.
difference?
Na.
Correct. That's correct. Sarva Dharmanam.
Sarvadharmanam.
Correct. That's how it should come. Otherwise, it was perfect. Okay. Thank you. Gopika. Ram Ram Ram. Bhishma Uvacha. I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Jagatprabhum Devadevam Anantan Purushottamam Stubannama Sahasrena Purusha Sadatottitaha.
Uttamam. Uttamam. I heard it as Anantan Purushottamam. I'm not sure if I heard it correctly. It is Anantam Purushottamam. Nakara doesn't come there. Anantam Purushottamam. Can you tell the first line again?
Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam.
Uttamam. That's all. Very good. Thank you. Kanaka Mahalakshmi.
Ram.
Tameva Charchayan Nityam.
Tameva Charchaya Nityam Bhaktya Purushamavyayam Dhyayan Stuvan Namastyascha Yajamanastameva cha.
Uttamam. Tameva Charchayan Nityam. Bhaktya. Bha is a Mahaprana there. Charchayan Nityam. That was there. And Namasyamscha. Namasyam. There is a Visarga there. Namasyamscha Yajamanastamevacha. You can practice that. Those 2 things. Otherwise, it was good. Thank you.
Ram.
Kommi Malakondaya.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. I can hear you. Mahodaya.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya. Anadhinidhanau Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeswaram Lokadhyaksham Suvannityam Sarvadukkhatigo Bhavet.
Uttamam. I heard it as Maheshwaram. There. Maheshwaram. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. That is one. Here, Sarva Dukkhati Go Bhavet. So after Du, Visarga should be heard. Then Kha Mahaprana. Sarva Dukkhati Go Bhavet. Can you repeat the shloka, please?
Astu Mahodaya. Anadhinidhanau Vishnum Sarvalokamaheeswaram Lokadhyaksham Sthuvannityam Sarvadukkhatigo Bhavet.
Uttamam. Again, I guess second time when you're saying Lokadhyaksham, Dha is a Mahaprana there. You can note that. That should be okay. You should correct that. That should be okay. You can just Dhanyavadaha. Geeta Ashok.
Geeta Ashok. Can you hear me?
I can hear me. Please go ahead, Bhagini. Brahmanyam.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Namaste. Brahmanyam sarvadharmajnam lokanam kirtivardhanam lokanatham mahatbhutam सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम्
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. Thank you. I guess somebody else is still on unmute. Please mute yourself after telling the shloka. Dhanyavadah Geeta Bhagini. Samiksha SP, I guess.
Ram sir.
Ram. Esha me sarvadharmanam.
Esha me sarvadharmanam dharmodhikatamo matah yadbhaktya pundarikaksham stavairashtvennarasada.
Uttamam. Very good. Can you tell the first line, only the first line again?
Esha me sarvadharmanam dharmodhikatamo matah.
Uttamam. Very good. What is your age, Samiksha? Which class are you in?
Second standard, sir.
Second standard. Very good. Uttamam. Gurumurti. Paramayyo Mahattejaha. Gurumurti, I'm not able to hear you. I'm not sure if you're telling the shloka. Ram.
Paramayyo Mahatteja Paramamyo Mahattapah Paramayyo Mahadbrahma Paramamya Parayanam.
Uttamam. Can we tell the same shloka? Little slow. Paramayyo Mahattejaha. Slowly. Little slowly.
Paramayyo Mahattejaha Paramayyo Mahattapah Paramayyo Mahadbrahma Paramayya Parayanam.
Uttamam. There was slight here and there. First time when you said there was slight here and there, some aksharas went. Second time when you said this slowly, everything, all the aksharas fell into its place. Very good. Definitely very good.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Dhanyavadah. Sundar Rangarajan. Pavitranam.
Pavitranam pavitram yo Mangalanam cha mangalam Daivatam daivatanam cha Bhutanam yo vyayapita.
Uttamam. Yo vyayapita. There, since visarga is followed by pa, yo vyayapita. That's all. Otherwise, it was
Yo
perfect.
vyayapita.
Perfect. Yes. Thank you. Prabhakar Rao. Yatah sarvani bhutani.
Session ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அதை ஆன் பண்ணி ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அவருக்கு ஆன்லயே இருக்கும்.
Prabhakar Rao.
Yeah.
Yatah sarvani bhutani.
Okay. Namo Namah.
Yeah.
Yatah sarvani bhutani bhavantyadi yugagame yasyam cha pralayan yanti punareva yugakshaye.
Uttamam. Good try. In the second line, it is yasmimscha pralayanti.
Yasmimscha pralayan yanti punareva yugakshaye.
Uttamam. Thank you. Radheshyam Sundarraman. Same
Namaskaram.
sloka. Can you repeat? Namaskaram. Can you the same sloka?
Yata sarvani bhutani bhavantyati yugagame yasmimsha pralayam yanti punareva yugakshaye.
Uttamam. Same there. Pralayam yanti. I guess it is sound is echoing. Pralayam yanti. Yasmimscha pralayam yanti punareva yugakshaye. You
Namaskar.
said pralayam yanti, which is perfectly okay. When you join and say, it becomes pralayam yanti, which is okay. Thank you very much.
Namaskar.
Shruti Harish.
Hello.
Ha, Ram Namaste. Tasya loka pradhanasya.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं ये शृणु पापभयापहम्.
Uttamam. Very good. Uma K.
अस्तु जी.
Tasya loka pradhanasya.
तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहम्.
Uttamam. Madhumita. Madhumita, I guess you are on self mute. Yani namani. Ram. I guess there's too much of echo sound.
Hello. Ram.
Yes. Ram. Yes. Yani namani gaunani.
यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये.
Only one thing is different. It was definitely good. Only one thing that you need to know is wherever ta is there, you need to pronounce ta and not the. It could be the mother tongue influence. Yani namani gaunani vikhyatani mahatmanah rushibhih parigitani tani vakshami bhutaye. There are many tas there. If you can repeat the shloka once again.
Yes, sir. यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये.
Uttamam. That's all. So we need to be a little conscious when we are telling the shloka, then everything falls in place. Very good. Thank you. Anis Koluri. Namaste. Rishir Nam.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रं मे वेदव्यास ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः.
Uttamam. Very good. I could hear the Mahaprana letters coming from its origin. Very good. There is one more Madhumita. I don't know if it is the same Madhumita. I guess Madhumita is the same. Krishna Narayan.
Yes, namaskaram.
Namaskar. Same shloka. Rishir Nam.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः.
Uttamam. Very good. I only heard it as Rishir Nam. It is Rishir Nam. There it is. Okay. There is no dirgha there.
ऋषिर्नाम्नां सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामुनिः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवः भगवान् देवकीसुतः.
Uttamam. Very good. Thank you. Mahesh Kumar VK. Ram. Amrutam Shudbhavo Bijam.
Sir, Amritam Shudbhavo Bijam Shaktir Devaki Nandanaha Trisamam Hridayaitasya Shantyarte Viniyujyate.
Uttamam, very good try. Amritam Shudbhavo, Bha is a Mahaprana there. Bijam Shaktir Devaki Nandanaha, Trisama Hridayantasya. Hridayantasya Shantyarthe Viniyujyate. Can you repeat the shloka again?
Amritam Shudbhavo Bijam Shaktir Devaki Nandanaha Trisama Hridayam Tasya Shantyarthe Viniyujyate.
Uttamam. Thank you. Maithili Keshava Sami.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram. Vishnun Jishnum.
Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishhnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupa Daityanam Namami Purushottamam.
Uttamam, good try. Here Vishnum Jishnum, which is correct. When we join and say it is Vishnun Jishnum Mahavishnum, that's how it comes. And here Aneka Rupa Daityantam. Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam. Can you please repeat the shloka?
Sure, sir. Vishnum Jishnum Mahavishnum Prabhavishnum Maheshwaram Anekarupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam.
Uttamam, very good.
Dhanyavadah.
Sachin 20, it says, I guess it is Sachin, I'm assuming.
Ram, sir.
Ram. Asya Shri Vishnu Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya. Yes.
Asya Shri Vishnor Divya Sahasranam Stotra Mahamantrasya Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishi.
I couldn't hear you. I guess you are self-muted, Sachin, so I can't hear you. Can you repeat the shloka?
Yes, sir. Asya Shri Vishnor Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi Anuštub Chandaha.
I couldn't hear you after Anuštub Chandaha. Not sure where the problem is. We'll get back to you again. You can mute yourself once you log in. Kripalini. Same shloka.
Om Asya Shri Vishnor Divya Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi Anuštub Chandaha Shri Mahavishnu Paramatma Shriman-Narayano Devata.
Uttamam. Only thing is you have to note wherever the Mahapranas are there, Mahaprana letters, you have to see there. Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi Anuštub Chandaha. Otherwise, it was very good. Thank you very much. Anna. I'm not sure it is Anna or Anna, but yes, Anna.
Mahoday.
Amritam Shudbhavo.
Amritam Shudbhavo Bhanuriti Bijam Devaki Nandana Srashteti Shaktihi Udbhava Kshobhano Devaiti Paramo Mantraha Shankhabrinandaki Chakriti Kilakam.
Uttamam, very good try. Just couple of things. Udbhavaha Visarga is followed by Ksha, the letter Ksha. Therefore, we say Udbhavaha Kshobhano Deva. So we split there. Udbhavaha Kshobhano. And there here Chakriti Kilakam. There it is Dirgha. Chakriti Kilakam. Okay, can you repeat the shloka once again?
Astu Mahoday. Amritam Shudbhavo Bhanuriti Bijam Devaki Nandana Srashteti Shaktihi उद्भवः उद्भवः क्षोभनो देवैति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खभृन्नन्दकी चक्रेति कीलकम्.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. Ambal. Ambal, yes.
नमस्कार महोदय.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Sharanga Danva Gadadhara.
शाङ्गदन्वा गदाधारयस्त्रम् रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यदिति नेत्रम् प्रसामासामगः सामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः.
Uttamam. Very good.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you. Swati Krishna. I'm not sure. I said.
Ram
I'm
Ram
not
Ram
sure if
Guru.
we chanted last week. Ram Ram Ram. Rutu Sudarshanah.
ऋतुः सुदर्शनः काल इति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूप इति ध्यानम् श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनाम पारायणे विनियोगः.
Uttamam. Only thing is Prityarthe Mahaprana there. I didn't hear. Maybe I guess you said, but I couldn't hear. Maybe you can stress next time when you're saying. You can stress that more. Otherwise, it was good. Thank you. Narasimha. Narasimha P, I guess. Narasimha P.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Dhyanam.
Yeah. Rutuhu Sudarshanah Kala iti Digbandha.
Dhyanam. Kshirodanvat Pradeshe.
Mama Samipe on the screen I'm seeing this.
Oh, is it? I changed the screen. Okay, no problem. You say the Rutu Sudarshana Kala only. No problem.
Rutuhu Sudarshana Kala iti Digbandha Shri Vishwarupa iti Dhyanam Shri Mahavishnu Prityarthe Sahasranama Parayane Viniyogaha.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Very good. Manya Umesh.
Ram 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 sir.
Ram Ram Ram. Atha Dhyanam.
क्षीरोदन्वत् प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत् सैकते मौक्तिकानां मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैर्वर्षैः आनन्देनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः.
Uttamam. Can you tell that from the third line again? Because there was some echo. I couldn't hear. Shubhrai Rabhrai. Can you tell once again?
शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्देनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Very good. Thank you. Ram Ram Ram. Veena Kanduri.
Yeah.
Same shloka.
Kshirodan अथ ध्यानं क्षीरोदन्वत् प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाक्लुप्तासनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभै मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरिचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Very good try. All the places it was very good. The only couple of things. It is definitely important to say wherever there is Mahaprana, we have to tell the Mahaprana. At the same time, wherever there is no Mahaprana, we should not be saying the Mahaprana. Mauktikair, it is not there. Mauktikair, Manditangaha, things like that. So wherever there is no Mahaprana, it is not required. right? And the other thing is we have to see the difference between sha and sha. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Big shloka, you're telling really good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is Suvarna Sudagoni. I guess you told last week also, ma'am. No problem.
Namaskaram.
Bhuvpadavyasya. Namaskaram.
भू
Bhuvpadav.
भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्व्यद सुरन भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्व्यद सुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशशिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्तयस्य विश्वं सुरनरकगगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवन वपुषं विष्णुमीशन्नमामि.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. You only made mistake and you only corrected, which was perfectly okay. Thank you very much. Neel. Bhuvpadavyasya. Can you tell the same shloka? Bhuvpadavyasya. Neel, I can't hear you. I'm not sure if you're telling. Maybe some problem. I can't hear you. You can try after some time. Mona Kulkarni. Mona Kulkarni. I guess you are on self-mute. Mona Kulkarni, you are on self-mute. Okay, maybe. Rajesh Vembu. Rajesh Vembu,
Hello.
can you tell the same? Ram. Bhuvpadavyasya.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear. Please go
Hello.
ahead. Hello.
Hello.
Not sure.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Please go ahead. Bhuvpadavyasya. Please tell the shloka.
भूःपादौ यस्य नाभिर्व्यदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाशिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्तयस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तं त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशन्नमामि.
We can tell the sloka slowly, no urgent. So then all the letters will come into its place. Nabhirvyada sura nilaschandra suryau cha netre karnavasha shirodhyaur mukhamapi. And there, those are the two places where you have to note. Otherwise, it was good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Nagalakshmi RV. Nagalakshmi RV. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shantaakaram bhujagasayanam padmanabham sesham.
Shantaakaram bhujagasayanam. Slowly.
Shantaakaram bhujagasayanam padmanabham suresham. Vishwadharam gagana sadrusham varnatubangam.
Lakshmi Kantang. Continue.
Lakshmikant Kamalanayanam Yogi Krutyanadayam Vande Vishnam Bhavyatam Sarvaikanadham.
Uttamam.
मेघश्यामं
No, you can stop there. You
पीतकौस्तुभः
can stop there. I couldn't hear the complete shloka, but I guess it was perfectly okay. Good. Thank you. Shantala,
Thank
you
you.
can tell the same shloka again. You can please mute yourself. Shantala, Shantakaram. I guess there is too much of background noise. We can try later or in other class. I'm seeing if there's anybody else. Shailaja.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Meghashyamam.
Yes. Meghashyamam pi. Sorry about that.
No problem.
Meghashyamam pītakausheyavasam Shrīvatsankam kautsubhodbhasitangam Punyopetam pundarīkāyatāksham Vishnu vande sarvalokaikanātham.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. The only one place is Kaustubhodbha Sitangam. I couldn't hear that very clearly. Srivatsankam Kaustubhodbha Sitangam. That's the only place where you might have to kind of notice. Otherwise, it is perfectly okay. Thank
We have
you.
one more participant.
I will come back to you. Hold there. Hold there.
No, we have.
Nigamanta Desikan. Meghashyamam. Can you chant?
मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्गं पुण्योरेवं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथं
Uttamam.
नमस्ते
No, we'll stop there. We'll stop there. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Vai Mahalakshmi. Vai Mahalakshmi. Namaha Samasta
नमस्कारः
Namaskarah.
नमः समस्तभूतानाम् आधिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे.
Uttamam. Very good. Shailaja, there was one more participant. You can tell this shloka.
Okay. Sashankachakram Sakiritakundalam Sapitavastram Sarasiruhekshanam Saharavakshasthalashobhikaustubham Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chaturbhujam.
Uttamam Mahodaya, Uttamam. It was very good. Okay. I'm going to the top and kind of seeing. Just 1 minute. I'm just seeing Anjana Devi. Not sure if you got the
Namaste.
chance. Namaste. Chandrananam.
Chandrananam Chadurbahum Shrivats-sankidavakshasam Rukmini Satyabhamabhyam Sahidam Krishnamashraye.
Uttamam. Only one thing is, as I said earlier, we might have to be conscious about our mother tongue influence. Cha and ja.
Okay.
Chandra nanan chaturbahum Srivat sankita vakshasam Rukmini satya bhamabhyam sahitam krishnamashraye. Can you repeat once again?
Chandrananam Chadurbahum Shrivats-sankidavakshasam रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये.
Sure, you can be conscious and keep practicing. You will definitely get. Thank you.
Okay,
Sudhir Kopparam. Can repeat the same shloka. Oh, we didn't tell this shloka. Sorry. Sudhir Kopparam, you are self-muted.
छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलं कृतम्.
You can continue.
चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये.
Uttamam. There only it is Chandrananam. There is no dirgha there. Chandrananam. Chandrananan Chaturbahum. Again, similarly, Sahitang Krishnamashraye. Very good. Otherwise, it was very good. Okay, I guess we have reached our time. Maybe 2 minutes more. Thank you. So in last two classes, in last week class and this class, I've tried as much as possible to give chance to most of you people who have raised your hands. In case if I have not called out your name, maybe the screen is very small, so I couldn't see all the names. Please write me an email at yatirajan@vyoma.gmail. I will ensure, I will try to call out your name in the next class for practicing. So the last two classes, today's and last class, was for the practice. So from next class onwards, we will start the, so this was the Purva Pitika. Now we will start with Vishnu Sahasranama, starting from Vishwam Vishnurva Shatkarha. From there we will start from the next week. I will also try to kind of highlight in as there was request also in the English also, so that all of us can follow easily. That is one. Then as you are doing, please continue to chant and pray for the welfare of the world. The entire world needs our prayer now. Continue chanting Vishnu Sahasranama and keep listening to Vishnu Sahasranama on a daily basis. This will help the entire world. That is what is required now. Thank you again. I will look at all the questions and try answering that in the next class. Thank you very much. Ram Ram Ram. Shubharatri.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय.